Hi, this is Ed Mahon, Brand Ambassador for Staten Island Yacht Sales. Welcome to our series of videos designed to help you get the most out of your new yacht. Today we're going to show you how to change the Racor filters on a diesel engine. Changing these filters on a regular basis will prevent problems down the road. So let's get started. Okay, so now we're in the engine room and I just want to demonstrate the equipment you'll need to do a neat and complete Racor filter change. You should have a pair of rubber gloves, a small container to bleed some fuel out of the Racor to see if there's any water in it, a new filter element, a larger bucket to drop the old element in and catch any overflow, some bleeder hose for when you're priming the engine after the filter change, and just a spare bucket with some rags and a garbage bag to dispose of any waste. So now we'll show you how to change the Racor element. Our lead technician Charlie will demonstrate. First we're going to shut off the fuel valves on the top of the tank. We're going to go over to the canister and we're going to drain some fuel out of the bottom to see if we have any water trapped inside. It's important to drain some fuel out of the canister to see if there's any water trapped in the bottom. European rules state the metal bowl is required, so it's hard to see if there's any water mixed with the fuel. Next, we're going to unscrew the T-handle on top of the canister and gain access to the element. You always replace the gaskets when changing elements because as soon as they hit the air, they swell and are unusable after that. In the kit with the new element will be a T-handle gasket and a gasket for the top of the canister. So replace those and you'll be good to go. Just make sure the element goes in the proper position and just push it down inside. And you just replace the top and screw in the T-handle. Put it a little bit more than finger tight. Don't over tighten it. And we'll open up the valves again. Next we're going to show you how to prime the engine using the on-engine primer pump and bleeder valve. So we'll take a piece of clear hose, attach it to the bleeder nipple, and then direct it into the diesel bucket. We open the valve, and then we start to pump. You just keep pushing until you see the air come out and then clear diesel fuel. Takes a little while. Once you get clear diesel fuel, you can close the valve and remove the hose. And we'll just use our wrench to tighten the nipple up again and we're all set. Then we'll start the engine and run it. And that's the whole process of changing the Racor filter. So if you're on a long trip and you get fuel pressure alarms, 9 out of 10 times it's going to be related to the Racor element. You can get bad fuel, you can stir up junk in the bottom of the tank, and changing the Racor element is one way to get you back on the road. Or if you have the spares, you can hand them to a mechanic and have him do it, and it'll allow you to continue on your journey. So thanks for watching. If you have any videos you'd like to see demonstrated, email me at emahon@siyachts.com. Thanks for watching. See you the next time.